On this week's boiler tip, we're going to talk about condensation in the boiler. Water is a byproduct of combustion, but normally it will go up the stack because of the temperature of the boiler. It'll remain steam and travel up and out, and we don't think about it. But when we start a boiler up from cold, sometimes the low temperature of the vessel will actually cause condensation in the tubes. And we're seeing evidence here of that acidic condensate running down the tube sheet. Now, if we had an individual tube leak, we would have one or two isolated tubes with that. But because they're all the same in that area, we can presume that that's condensate. Now, that's bad for your boiler in the long run, so we don't want to shut the boiler down every Thursday, start it up every Monday, and have this condensation, because this is probably from about 6 startups. If we do that 52 times a year, we're going to have a lot more acid corrosion. So when we're bringing up a boiler, it's normal to see it, but we don't want to bring that boiler up from cold over and over again, or we'll eventually get damage as a result of that.